Imagine you are talking in a room of 1,000 people, but only 20 are actually listening to you. That is what a dirty followers list looks like. I used to think more followers equals more success until I realized most of them were not even seeing my posts. We are all chasing numbers at the start. More followers, bigger audience, higher count, it feels like progress. But here's the truth. Most creators learn the hard way. Not all followers help you grow. Some actually hold you back. When your followers list is filled of 1. Inactive accounts. Number 2. Ghost followers. Number 3. People who followed you for a giveaway. Number 4. Random follow users. Number 5. Bots or robots or fake profiles. Your engagement rate drops. And platforms don't just look at how many followers you have. Especially now, followers count is not anymore the basis of our algorithm performance. They watch how many of those followers interact with your content. If 5,000 people follow you, but only 50 react, comment, or watch, the algorithm thinks the following. This will be the validation of the algorithm. 1. This content must not be interesting. Number 2. People are not engaging. Number 3. Don't push this post to more people. So your reach stops. But when you clean your followers list right now, here are the following. You remove inactive people. You attract the right audience. Your engagement rate increases. The algorithm starts trusting your content more. And suddenly, your posts reach more people. Your videos get pushed out. Your page starts growing again. It's not about having many followers. It's about having the right followers. Because 1,000 people who care about your content will always outperform or outweigh 10,000 people who scroll very fast. A clean followers list is a stronger reach, better visibility, and real growth.